Welcome to the new General Features demonstration for Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2. In this video, we will be talking about the new features that have been added to the general areas of Cabinet Vision. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, you now have the ability to create a custom comma-separated value text file that you can import into Cabinet Vision. This is the dialog that allows you to import your comma-separated value text file. To learn more about how to use it properly, please go to the Custom Order Import topic in the Room Level Ribbon Bar Utilities tab Import Order section of the Cabinet Vision Help files. To see where we can find this dialog, we will start with a simple job that I have created previously. First, we need to get to the Report view, so we can just click on the Reports tab to do so. Now that we are in the Report view, we will need to click on the Utilities tab in the ribbon bar. And here we can see our Import Order button. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now we have the Windows Open File dialog showing. This will allow us to select our text file. We have two options on how to do this. Either we can type in the name of the file here, or we can change the file type to allow us to browse for the file. For this demonstration, we will change the file type. Of the available file types listed, we want to select the text file types. You can see that this will display and allow us to select files with the .txt and .csv file extensions. Now you can see my test.txt file. This is a comma-separated value file that I created for this demonstration. I'm going to go ahead and double-click on it to open it up. And here you can see the new Data Field Configuration dialog. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R1, you now have the ability to create an entirely custom text file export for your parts lists. This is the new dialog that will allow you to define your custom data outputs. To learn how this dialog works, please visit the Output Data File topic in the Room Level Ribbon Bar Utilities tab Output Data File section of the Cabinet Vision Help files. Let's take a look at where we can find this new dialog using the same job we were in previously. While in the Report view, click on the Utilities tab of the ribbon bar. Now let's click on the Output Data File button. Now our Output Data Files dialog is displayed. You can see that we have a new tab in this dialog, the Custom tab. Let's go ahead and click on it. The Custom tab allows us to export any of the previously created output formats that we have saved. You can see that mine is blank as I have not yet defined any custom output formats. To define the custom outputs, we can click on the Setup button. And here you can see our Setup Custom Output dialog. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, Drawbox and Rollout materials have been added to the ORD files that you output from within Cabinet Vision. To learn more about this, please read the ORD file format topic in the Room Level Ribbon Bar Utilities tab Import Orders section of the Cabinet Vision Help files. With the introduction of Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, additional control has been added to objects in the 3D views. More specifically, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard while rotating an object to have it rotate around the global Y-axis instead of the local Y-axis. Let's take a moment to see how this works using a sample base cabinet object. I would like to note that this functionality can be used in all 3D views of Cabinet Vision. I have gone ahead and rotated this view to better illustrate the new functionality. Here you can see the normal rotation that is typical of Cabinet Vision. Now you can see that the rotation has changed. This is because I'm holding the Control key on my keyboard. In recent versions of Cabinet Vision Solid, we were given the ability to change the dimension type from imperial to metric and back from the status bar. Now, with Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2, we have more control over those changes. We're going to take a look at this functionality from the splash screen of Cabinet Vision, but it does work the same from inside a job as well. As you can see, we still have our unit type being displayed to us, but what you should notice is the small arrow beside it. If we click on this arrow, it will bring up a new menu for us to change our dimension type. You can see that with this new menu, we have the ability to select either inches or millimeters. I'm going to leave it at millimeters for the time being. Now, if we click on the actual unit type being displayed, we will be given a menu to select the level of precision we would like displayed. This concludes the demonstration of the new general features in Cabinet Vision Solid 2011 R2. Thank you for viewing this video, and please take a look at our other videos on the new features in Cabinet Vision.